Hello, welcome to this video. We are going to be working on some mobility exercises, some static stretches, as well as some fun and easy movement. All right, so I'm going to be seated on a stability ball and I'm going to be using a yoga belt. But if you don't have any of these props, you can always use a chair, any chair, and also a towel. All right, so just make sure you are comfortable, and yeah, here we go. So welcome everybody, my name is Efren Buzzo. Start breathing and start rolling your shoulders back. Start relaxing your face, start breathing, relax your belly. And you are going to take your head to the side. You don't need to pull your head, just, nice and gentle. Go to the right, go to the left, and just breathe. All right, now we're gonna be rolling your shoulders forward. Smile. Just breathe, relax your hips, relax your face, your jaw, and move your head to the right again and to the left. Make sure you're comfortable. If you need a little padding on your chair, if you don't have an stability ball, please get that. All right, now bring your neck up and down. Keep your shoulders down. Now I am pushing from my knees to give a little more extension to my back. All right, flexing and arching my back a few times. Make sure you are breathing. All right, let's do it a few times. Place your hands by your knees and it'll give you a little more extension right there. Neck up, open your throat. Keep breathing. And now move your neck to the side, right and left one more time. If you need to pause a little more, do that. Let's see how much you can go. Let's see how much your body can allow you to extend that beautiful neck of yours. All right, so now we're gonna be working on some rotation. Keep your arms below your shoulders for this move. All right, just do a few rotations back and forth. Inner rotation, outer rotation. All right, now bring your arms to your shoulder level and you are going to be doing more rotation from your shoulder blades. All right, now we're gonna be rotating to the right. Your torso is going to open a little more. Go to the left side. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed. All right, let's try one more time and see how easy it is the second time. Keep your arms below your shoulders for this exercise. Just go back, out of rotation. All right, now drop your shoulders, inner and outer rotation from your shoulder blades. You can see my shoulders going up and down. All right, torso rotates to the side. Relax your shoulders, make sure you are breathing. Make sure your face is relaxed. All right, we're gonna be using the belt for the next move. If you don't have a yoga belt, you can always use just a towel, all right? Bring your right or left arm up. So instead of going to the side, I want you to try to go high. I want you to reach like you are reaching the ceiling, like someone is pulling your arm up instead of going to the side. So you go as high as you can and then you tilt to the side maybe 1 or maybe 2 inches. That's plenty. Make sure you do right and left. You can look up if you want. Look up. Meet your hands, meet the belt, look up to the ceiling, whatever feels comfortable for you. All right, so bring the belt back. And by doing this, make sure your back is straight up and you are not arching every time you're going back. As you can see, one of my shoulders, I believe my left side, it's a little higher than the right. So I'm just doing the best I can do myself as well. All right, so let's try one more time. All right, bring our arm up reach a little higher, up to the ceiling. Look up as well. And go to the other side. This is going to open your QL really nicely. Alright, take the move back again. And keep breathing. Make sure you are comfortable. Alright? Seated on something, maybe a pad or something. If you are in a chair. Alright, because the next move, this is so much easier if you have an stability ball, because it doesn't hurt your bottom, So if you have a chair, just go easy with that move. But this is a great exercise for your lumbar spine, your pelvic floor as well. But once again, it is much more comfortable if you are seated on a stability ball. Alright, so we are going to drop our head down. If you don't want to go all the way down, just stay up halfway, it's fine. If you want to try it, go for it. Now walk your hands to the side. Open your knees a little more. If you open your knees a little more, it's going to give you a little more access to your torso and to that rotation. Alright, if you need a chair, maybe a yoga block or something to put in front, so it can give you a little more height, so it is easier for you to come back up. We're gonna do it one more time. Alright, so just reset, take one more minute, one more breath, and keep moving. So what I will suggest, if you don't have an stability ball, just stand up and move your hips side to side in really nice circles. Alright, it will be much easier and better for you if you have a chair, and if you don't have, do it standing instead. Alright, let's drop the head one more time. Open your knees a little more. Now we're gonna be rotating a little more and gonna bring the arm up. You don't need to, you can always stay right here, but this feels really good. Open your chest a little more. Yeah, bring the arm up. Alright, go very slowly and switch to the opposite side. Beautiful. Alright, make sure you're breathing and just some playful movement. Alright, bring the feet a little closer, because we are going to get off the stability ball, or off the chair in this case. Bring your head down, relax, move your neck, relax your face. Make sure your knees are a little bended, alright, a little bit flex, it's fine. Alright, sit back on the chair, sit back on the stability ball, bring the arm up. It's gonna open even a little more. You'll be surprised. Alright, we're gonna come back for a second time. Bend forward, head down, breathe. Open your sitting bones a little more, open your hamstrings a little more. Alright, so if you are on a chair, just push that chair back of your stability ball. Alright, and the weight in this is going back and forth. The weight goes on your heels and then on your palms, back and forth. Squat and come back up. Nice. Alright, so we're gonna go into a more dynamic movement now, standing. So make sure the stability ball is not close to you. Take that off the floor, move the chair. Make sure you are in a safe spot, moving. Alright, relax your shoulders and face. Nice. Let the gravity do some work right here on your arms. Flex your knees. Alright, we're gonna do some bouncing. This is one of my favorite things to do every single day, you guys. So I just bounce and I let the energy flow. Alright, as you can see, I let gravity move my arms, my shoulders, and I just have fun with it. Okay, your breathing could be a little faster and it's fine. Alright, you're gonna feel the need to breathe a little deeper and a little faster, because it's creating a lot of heat, a lot of energy moving around. So it's fine. Make sure you are taking the time to breathe. Even if you are inhaling and exhaling really hard, that will do the work. I'm sweating already. All right, so this is really fun. Keep moving. Bounce, bounce, bounce. If you want to bounce a little longer, go for it. This is a nice rotation right here. It's great for your kidneys as well, okay? So you can open your knees a little more if you want. Let's bounce one more time. All right, let gravity work on your arms. Breathe, breathe, and breathe. Stay with me. We're almost done, okay? All right, so rotate one more time. As you can see, my hips are opening, are rotating a little more. As you can see, I'm moving a little wider and a little more this time. All right, bring your arms as high as you want, as high as you can. And eventually I want you to open your hip as well, your hips. Every time, yes, there you go. All right, so opposite arms, opposite leg. Keep moving, keep breathing. This is great exercise for your shoulders, believe it or not. And it does much more than that, you know, in your lower body. All right, so we're gonna be working to finalize this session, this little movement sequence, some balancing. All right, so just extending one leg, do your right, do your left, just play with it. Make sure you don't have any shoes on it. All right, make sure you are doing this barefoot. Okay, so bring your knee up a little higher. As you can see, I'm not flexing my back, so make sure you are not flexing your back, leaning forward and using your low back to bring your knee up. Even if it's a tiny, you know, bring the knee high a little bit, it's fine. It's better to use the strength of your hip flexors and your legs to come up, even your hamstrings. Shake, shake, shake a little more, bounce, bounce. All right, so stay with me. We're almost the end. We are almost finishing. Keep creating more energy. Move your shoulders, move your arms back and forth. If you want to dance, you can dance. All right, that's all good. All right, so we're gonna bring the knee up a little higher. This time we are going to be using your arms to coordinate a little more. Utilizing your arms, moving your arms basically at the same time is going to allow you to be a little more coordinated. Bring the knee up, don't be afraid. It's going to be working on strengthening your hip flexors as well. We are finishing right now, so rotate your hips. You can always stay a little longer, repeat the video as many times as you want. I hope you had fun and thank you so much for connecting with me in this video. Until next time, ciao.